Oh, wow. Wow, look at that. Holy smokes. Action. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Food Review Club. We are in South Kensington and about to crack it off with Byron Burger. Big review. I am excited, but we've got a video sponsor. Let's get that in there now. Main sponsor, ETAG Fixings. Very noisy car. ETAG Fixings are trying to promote and push their centre of excellence on the website. Product demos, how-to videos. Look, if you're using fixings day in, day out as a tradesman, you've got to know who ETAG are for information purposes and for ordering your gear. Right, go and check them out. I'll put a link in the comments. Jess, should we do that? To their website. Go and have a look at them. They're really looking after us. But now, let's go and get some chuffing food. I know I add what I've ordered, by the way, looks incredible. The burger, I'm hoping for big things. Right, everyone, this is a big review. A lot of people saying that Byron Burger, just come to the bonnet, is the best. Now, we saw the video of Bleecker Burger. These are some really heavy hitters in the London burger game as well. I've got to admit, the burger I've ordered today, it's called the B-Rex, I believe could be sensational. So let's cut to the chase. What have I got, Jess? Coming in, look. Paid, by the way. Are Byron going to pay us after this video's gone out, Jess?
No, I don't think so.
£10,000? No? We've actually paid this money, have we? Have we actually paid that money?
Yes.
Oh my God. Right. So I've gone for B-Rex, £13.95. That's it.
You're in Kensington.
Yeah, I'm in Kensington, but you could buy a house with that up north, Jess. I've gone for a chocolate shake, £5. Buffalo wings, £5.50.
From a burger place.
Oh, okay, you get cheese fries in with the burger.
Oh, okay.
For an extra £1. So I've got cheese on them, I think. Interesting. So, all in all, £25.45. Probably a bargain in Kensington, isn't it? Here we go, let's... Ooh. First time ever, phone's ringing mid-review.
Oh.
Byron Burger, there we go. Look at that presentation. Ooh. Here we go. Right, let's put that out there. Unpacking done. I'm trying to slim down these videos a little bit. There's something slimming down around here. Right. Please get in the comments, by the way, and let me know if you agree with Byron being the best. I don't know. We're going to find out. But I'm really interested to hear your thoughts. Let's dive into the main event straight away. This is the B-Rex. It's got an onion ring in it, bacon, barbecue sauce, mayo. Here we go. You ready? Oh, wow. Wow, look at that. Holy smokes.
Smells good.
Incredible. I asked them how they recommend it's cooked. They said medium. Let's have a little look. Tiny little bun on top though, look at that. Barbecue sauce, jalapenos, the world's biggest onion ring. Oh my God, bacon, pickles, onions. I've got to admit, that looks an absolute barnstorming burger and I can't wait. Here we go.
See the inside?
That is properly special. I've got textures, I've got crunch, I've got some incredible flavours, all topped off with the most amazing sweet and smoky barbecue sauce. Wow, the meat as well. That meat is like really chunky. It's like the mincing process. They've kind of left it a bit big and a bit gnarly. Byron, from a flavour standpoint, the B-Rex from Byron. Oh, it's got a bit of jalapeno in there as well now. From a flavour standpoint, that is a chuffing powerhouse. Only let down for me is the bun. Look at this bun at the bottom. Not fit for purpose. Other than that though,
You like the bun police?
I am the bun police. Love a good bun, Jess, you know me. Burger. Love that. So, look, the debate lives on. Is that the best one I've had? Let's find out. Right, drink watch. Chocolate milkshake. Legit. Really, really nice. Right, so this could be the fries or it could be the wings. She was adamant that these wings were legit, by the way.
What flavour were they?
These are the buffalo, Jess. And she also said that the halloumi fries were good, but man's on a budget, and I didn't want to start knocking on the £30. Believe it or not, we actually pay for the food. Man's on a budget, and we're bowling over 30 quid in Byron burger. Right. Not the meatiest wing I've ever seen. Have I picked a bad one there, or not a... Kind of small. What the that one?
Like fingers.
The chicken lips. All right, cool. Let's just dive in one of these. Get the flavour. Buffalo wing. Yeah, they're really not good at all.
No. It's a burger restaurant.
I said to her, "What sides are legit? Like, what's a great side?" She said, "The wings are amazing." Give me one more bite. No. No. In terms of wings at the moment are very topical. Wingfest is around the corner. Those of you that don't know, tickets are on sale for Wingfest. Go and get one. Put it in your diary. I'll be there. In terms of Wing Mountain, that hasn't got out of the car park. Last things last is the chips.
That's not a saying.
Last things last. So the chips came free with the burger, I think, but I paid £1 for that cheese on top. Oh, well, okay. Here we go. Do you know what? They actually look like Nando's chips, don't they? Chip lovers out there. That's a good chip. They're great chips. Was the £1 worth it for the cheese?
Doesn't look like it.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Got it on you.
My beard.
Under the beard.
Is it in there? Go on.
You're good.
But it's good. Right, cool. Time for a score. The burger. Should we get the burger out? The burger. About to get a ticket here. I'll be moving in a sec. Are you not a ticket man? Ah, sorry. Do you want anything you want to say to the world? No. Yeah. Have you ever been to Byron Burger? No. All right. Doesn't want to be on camera. I thought you were going to give me a ticket. It's like, well, it's good. Nice guy. The burger. Probably one of the most interesting burgers I've had. Full of texture, really big meaty patty, not cooked too pink in the middle. The onion ring, the barbecue, the bacon, the relish, the pickles, the onions. That is a party. That is a flavour party. Chips, bang on point. The amount of people that get chips wrong is unreal. Milkshake was wicked. Wings, pony. I'm not going to hold that against them too much. So, taking everything into consideration, price included, I want to give this a score today of 8.7. It's just where I feel it lives. For me, Bleecker had so much more magic about it as a burger. That though, if you're having a few beers and wanting a great burger, probably one of my favourites. Love it. It's like a just like one that you'd want. You actually even see that in there?
Yeah.
No. It's just like a burger that you actually really want. Enjoyed that review. Get in the comments now and let me know if I'm way off the mark there. You think it should have been over the 9s? I'm not so sure. That is a great score for a wicked burger. Thanks for watching, everyone. Byron Burger completed it, mate. Thanks for watching. That was a review.